Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video guys I want to take the time to show you one quick link or one quick page that you can access so that you can easily find all the latest features, or let's say what's new for your Google Chrome browser. So all you have to do guys, simply open up your Chrome and just type in this link here, as you can see, and you will find this within the description of this video. I'll be putting it there so that you can easily go ahead and have it every time you need. So go ahead and type that in and enter, and this will take you to the what's new page for Google Chrome. And as you can see here, immediately it is showing you what's new in Chrome, and it's immediately telling you that you can search with Google Lens and chat with Gemini. So that's one of the latest updates there that you can see. And if you scroll down on this page, you can see more information regarding what's new, and you can scroll down and you can find quite a lot of interesting stuff there. You also have this section here that says explore more features, and you can see the date when these are rolled out. So these ones are recent from March. This one is February. You can also click and view more, and this will expand the drop down page so that you can see what are the other updates there in Google Chrome that you have missed, and you can easily click on them. So let's say I want to learn more about this search and get related suggestion. I can click on that and it will open up in a new tab, and you can see how to basically use it, how to access it, and get all the necessary information you need about this new feature so that you can utilize it. And on top of that, you also have the section repeat again for explore more, that you can continue to learn more about Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to keep this page at your disposal, you can easily go ahead and bookmark this page. So ensure once you're on the page, you can simply go ahead and click the bookmark star icon in the address bar here. So you can click on that and you can save this what's new page. You can save it on your bookmark bar. If I click bookmark bar right here and just simply click done, you will see right here in my bar that I have this page saved. So it can be a quick access for you. So let's say I close that and I have it bookmarked here, and I want to know what's new with Google Chrome. I can tap on that or click on that and it will take me back to this page. So you can keep this at your disposal so that you can check from time to time. You don't have to save it on your bookmark bar here. You can simply go ahead and you can change the location as well. You can put it into whatever folders. If you have different folders, you can put it there so that you can easily access this from time to time, because it's very useful. And not all the time there is a new update. Sometimes the Google Chrome update by itself, or we update the Google Chrome by itself, and there are new features we don't always know about these features. So having this page at your disposal can really help you from time to time if you're curious to know what's new, so that you can start utilize Google Chrome and increase your productivity. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.